Rethinking Homework. Unless you're working in one of the small minority of schools currently trialling removing homework, you will be obliged to design, set and moderate meaningful homework tasks as part of your weekly planning. It's easy for teachers, parents and carers and pupils to fall into a negative mindset when it comes to the H word and presume that life would simply be better without it. However, with a little bit of rethinking and consideration of purpose, outcomes and creativity, homework can become a valuable and even enjoyable tool for learning. Here are a few questions to ask yourself as you plan your homework tasks over the coming term. Number 1. Could homework in your department be wholly or partly centralised? This is a risky suggestion, as autonomy and creativity are such crucial elements in outstanding teaching. However, there may be times when homework tasks can at least be suggested or pooled within the resources for a scheme of work to allow all members of the department to at least have a starting point from which to work. Number 2. What is the purpose of the homework task? Getting the purpose right and sharing it is absolutely crucial for everyone involved. Is it a project, preparation, revision, learning or research task? You should be able to identify the purpose of every homework task you set, otherwise it is literally a waste of time to both set and do it. It is usually helpful to share this purpose with the pupils too, and if you use an online homework platform, this is also shared with parents and carers automatically too. Most of us need to know the value and purpose of a task in order to fully buy into it, and children are exactly the same. Number 3. Does it have to be marked? Once you've established the purpose of the task, you need to decide on its exact structure. Do you really need to set an essay question every week, which massively increases your workload? Or could another task, which can be easily checked, take its place from time to time? If you do have a homework sharing platform, it provides a wonderful opportunity to have a glance at what types of tasks other staff are setting and may provide you with some marking light ideas. Alternatively, a good old-fashioned conversation with a colleague is just as effective. Number 4. Are you setting a variety of tasks? Following neatly from question 3, it's good to remember that most people become easily bored by repeating the same task over and over and over again. Try to ensure a variety of tasks for your class which allow for different learning styles. Number 5. Who are the pupils that could struggle with this task? Before you click the Set button on your homework tasks, have a glance down your class lists for your key groups. How will SEND pupils cope with the task? Do they need a little more scaffolding? Your SEN department are a fountain of knowledge on these particular pupils and should be happy to help you set appropriate homework. What about your more able pupils? Are they getting enough challenge in the homework across a unit of work? Do any of your pupils struggle to access a computer at home? How will they cope with the turnaround time you've set? As time goes on, these questions will become embedded in your homework setting practice, and you should see your engagement levels increase. Lots of pupils enjoy homework when they know why it's being set, when it is part of a varied diet of tasks, and when they are given adequate time and opportunity to complete it to the best of their ability. Remember, you can read all of our blogs at www.fulcrumlearning.co.uk/blog, listen on Facebook and YouTube, and follow us on Twitter, Instagram and Facebook.